Our students went to the immersion program happening at BITS Pilani. There we got a chance to ask questions about the program to two of our students. We get a lot of questions from you about the BITS program. Is it really tough? How do the students manage it along with the SST's curriculum, internships, projects and all? So in this video, they will share their real experience and complete journey about this program.
I am Anshuman and I'm from Bangalore.
My name is Riya. I'm from Bangalore now, studying at Scalar and doing the Coursera degree on BITS.
Okay, before this, I was into Army Public School. I completed my 12th from there and then I shifted to Bangalore in Scalar School of Technology. And from there, the journey is very good.
Yeah, so there is a robot dog. When I saw it for the first time, I was in my school and I was super excited to know how it is built. How can it be? Because at time AI almost not there so much. I was super excited and that grew my curiosity in computer science.
Actually, as a kid, I was really passionate about sports and building stuff. I used to break apart my toys and build stuff out of them. Earlier in my life, it was remote control cars basically, and then I went to programming Arduinos, and now I went to programming heavily into programming stuff, and I'm really building into AI. That is really cool. I'm pursuing my PCS from BITS Pilani, through Coursera.
The BITS tag matters. BITS tag also to learn from the professors in BITS.
Actually, after my 12th, my parents told me, do whatever you want. This is your life. You have to make it or break it. So it was pretty easy for me.
My parents wanted me to get into some B.Tech college, which I was already getting. So they were not ready to agreeing to my decision because it's a typical Indian parents' mindset that B.Tech has higher value compared to B.Sc. So yeah, I spoke to my sister. She also suggested me that if you get into B.Tech, your time would be wasted a lot in many other things. So we both spoke. Then both of us tried to convince our parents. Then my parents spoke to some of the people working in computer science field and they were my relatives. And all of them told, ki, don't go for this, go for B.Tech. But I was sure that I don't want to get into B.Tech. I wanted this only. Then I told that it is on my own risk. Whatever happens, I'm ready to accept. And anyways, skills matter. So even if anything goes wrong, I will learn something and I can survive. They were not happy with it, but they were like, finally, it's your decision. But now they are like, okay, because in second year itself, I got internship in Bangalore. So they are happy with my decision.
They were skeptical when I said I'm doing the degree online, but as they are seeing my progress and everything, they are pretty sure, they are pretty confident that I'll do good and the degree is worth pursuing. The point when I hit the apply button, I was pretty excited to see that I'm selected for the degree, and from that point, it was the first experience doing any degree online. But the application process was pretty smooth and the team was there to help if I get stuck anywhere. Yeah, actually there is a Slack group of BITS specifically, and people there are really nice. I've talked to some of them, not all, and it was good.
Yeah, so I have made friends, few of them from all over India. And they are doing interesting stuff other than the degree as well.
A lot of the people inside BITS cohort of Coursera are from my college, so I really get a chance to meet them.
Yeah, so BITS program, we just watch the lectures whenever we get some time. And most of the topics are covered in Scalar only. So in case if we have some doubts or something, we can attend the live sessions and BITS for doubts. Yeah, but like most of the concepts are covered in scalar. Like as I said, I have watched a few lectures of the professors, and wherever I have doubt, it is very good, like clear understanding.
The faculty is pretty good. It is of bits only. I generally go with practice quiz and taking actual quiz and doing the assignments for my practice. Yeah, so
In the live session, you can approach for doubts, and on emails also they give quick replies. So yes.
and actually one thing that is like really good inside Coursera is in video quiz. When you're watching a video, you're not just like sitting there and watching. You're actively participating in that because you are engaging with the video. You are getting a quiz in between the video and you are attempting that. This is really cool because people like normally sit there and watch and nothing gets inside the head. But while doing it, we remember what we have just like.
Not group projects, like personal projects we have built, like mobile applications.
Yeah, so this degree is pretty relevant to what I am about to do in my life. The core fundamental topics that are taught inside the class are really important to build the foundation of what I'm about to do, that is software engineering. We are learning about operating system, like how the internals of the motherboard work. And this is really important if you want to become a good software developer or in general you are interested in tech. So the things that we are learning in this degree is really important for everyone that is going inside this direction, the tech. And it is database management, so I love SQL, that's why.
Yeah, the main thing, what the basics and the core concepts which I learned from this degree have helped me learn other concepts very easily. So like suppose linear algebra, probability statistics and all, discrete maths which we learned in BITS, they are like very basic things to understand machine learning, AI/ML. So that has helped me in that field mostly.
I would say that they should tell their parents about the alumni and people who have already done the degree. So this really helps. Parents are really like they have old thoughts, and they get convinced when they see other people are also doing that. So this is the tip from my side.
Yeah, so if you're confident enough that you will be able to focus and do things by yourself, then this degree is the best, because in other offline degrees you'll have a lot of friends, so it results into a lot of time pass also somehow. So if you're confident, you want to work hard, then choose this. Just do it, like you have to.